Today I am going to show you how to check graphics card details in Windows 7. Click on right mouse button. Click on screen resolution. Now click on advanced settings. Here are your graphics card details. Method number 2. Again click on right mouse button. Click on Personalize. Click on Display. Click on Adjust Resolution. Click on Advanced Settings. Here are your graphics card details. Method number 3. Press Window button plus R. Or, click on Start and type Run. Click on Run. And type D, X, D, I, A, G, then press Enter. Click on Display. Here are your computer's graphics card details. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.